I absolutely loved it. Actually, I was very sad because of the date clash. I had my film shoot and that was already committed 4 months in advance. तो ये unfortunate था कि हमारा date clash हो गया. Otherwise, I really enjoyed. I enjoyed my Lanka team, and the first time I was playing something I can't say really evil, but you know that tough Surpanakha, which I've never played. So this was another challenge for me. So I'm definitely gonna miss that because even after I quit Siyakiram, I still got hooked on to Siyakiram, and I used to watch all the episodes. And I loved it. So that was my connection with Siyakiram. To be very honest, apart from my curly hair, like I really miss my curly hair. It's like, you know, every day straightening, putting 2 hours effort in straightening my hair is a bit, and I'm used to my curls, so I like it. Even in Surpanakha, it was like all, I said, yay. Apart from that, everything is cool. I mean, I'm enjoying, and the way the cast and crew have accepted me, it was amazing, as if I was not meeting them for the first time. So the only thing is now that the audience should accept me, and उतना ही मुझे प्यार दे जितना माही को दिया है. Okay, थोड़ा सा कम, but चलेगा. It's fun. Everybody is laughing about something or the other all the time. मैं थोड़ा time लेती हूँ ये सब समझने में. They're cracking jokes and I'm like, well, what just happened? So it's fun and I'm excited.
Okay, Ravi as a co-actor, how is he? What do you think?
He's sweet. He's damn cute. He's sweet. His dialogue delivery is spontaneous, and all of a sudden he'll say something and you just want to laugh but you can't because he's talking about your mother. You know, मौली गांगुली के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, मेरी माँ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. मैं नहीं हंस सकती हूँ, and he puts me in an awkward situation. See, I don't know whether it was a perfect choice or not. So far, whatever work I have taken, it's been very different. It's not been the TV kind, if you know what I mean. Kahi Suniye is a proper travel show. UTV Bindas Mein Zindagi Wins was very practical show on doctors. My first debut show, Dhoondle Ki Manzil, was very practical show. Now, all the practicalities that I've done and all the different things that I've done, the regular TV drama, the saas bahu jhagda, the face changing stuff works more, you know. So I thought, okay, you know, fine, then I'll just try this. I mean, I was shooting for films as well, so that's the reason why I couldn't take up, I couldn't start the show. Because beach mein na, once you become the protagonist and you give that commitment, you cannot give dates even for your film shoot. So I rather not take it. I rather do one thing at a time and enjoy my life as well. After a very long time, I've accepted a TV show, and I hope you guys give me the same love and same respect, and you enjoy watching me in this new avatar. So that's it. I'm looking forward.